What's up YouTube, AVI back with another video. Today we got a new video doing some different wheel cleaners and tire and rim cleaners for you guys. We have 4 different ones. I know if you guys have seen the last video that Dave did, click up there. That was kind of like the start of it. You guys seem to love it, so we figured we'd do 4 more. These are the SVT rims going on the new Lightning. If you haven't seen us purchase that, make sure to click that link. We're going to try the different 4. As you can see in here, they're very dirty. Super dirty from different brake dust and stuff, but we want to see which one cleans better. So we have Mothers right here. This is going to be the left. Then we have Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner on there. We have Super Clean. Shout out to Super Clean for sending us this. We're going to make sure we give it a fair shot. And also ArmorAll right here on the last one. So we're going to do each one. And first we're going to spray them down, then we're going to let it sit for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to scrub. We have some brushes over there. So we're going to scrub and make sure they look nice. So let's get to it. So with the Mothers, we actually have to put this one on without wetting it. The other 3, we have to wet it first. So we'll do this one first. So we'll spray this. It says leave it for 30 seconds. All right, so we let that one sit for 30 seconds. Now we're going to take the brush and agitate a little bit just because it's been sitting for so long. All the brake dust. Look how much better that is already. So here we did this one right here. It looks pretty good. Obviously it's going to be better even when we clean it. But we let it sat for 30 seconds. We agitated it with a brush. Now we're going to get it clean. Let's get all of these wet for now. So Mothers is done. Look how much better it is compared to this one, which is done, to this one that hasn't done. We haven't touched it. Obviously, if I had the right tools, I could probably get all that. But considering my hose is off at my house, we had to come here and I didn't bring all the tools. But so now we'll get these 3. We just wet all these. All of these require pre-rinse before spraying. So let's get to it and we'll show you guys the final product. So this one's Super Clean. Super Clean actually sent this to us to review. We're hoping it works really well, and if you guys like it, go get it. In all your main department stores. The spray bottle is nice, actually. Now we're going to agitate each one. That's what it says. Wash it, let it sit for 30 seconds, and then agitate it if it's bad. So this one's been sitting for 30, and as we go down, each one will have been sitting for at least 30 seconds. So this one is Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Guys, so far this Super Clean actually is working really well. I think so far it's been, the brush was even dirty to begin with, and so far it looks pretty clean actually. So right off the bat, after one scrub, Super Clean does look to be the best. So far, we're gonna scrub them all, but see, this one's like completely clean, and this one still has some dirt right here. And obviously it could be the tire, I don't really know, but just from visual, this one seems to be more clean after the first scrub. So we're gonna give each one more spray, and scrub down. This spray bottle is the best. This one works nice. So second scrub down is complete for all three of these. We're going to wash it for a final time, and we'll show you guys before and after. All right, guys, so we've done two scrubs down on each one, and we'll show you guys the after, and we'll go over final opinions. First of all, I want to say it's obviously based on the tire, how it came in before, so there might be some scuff marks, but we'll show you guys which one we think is the best. So we'll start with Mother's. This was the very first one we did. This one required us to spray before wetting. So it did pretty well. There's some mainly just scuffs, but this stuff right here could probably come off. So I'd say it did a pretty good job. Turtle wax, I think this one didn't do as good of a job as Mother's. This one looks cleaner. Even there's some dirt right here that I probably could have gotten if I really had scrubbed, but we gave the same opportunity for both. Coming to Super Clean, which actually was provided by us, it's actually really good. I think probably the best of the three so far. This looks completely clean. Obviously, if I had scrubbed all of this, I could have gotten this and maybe even in there if I had the right tools. But this one I think works the best out of all of these three. And then we're coming to the ArmorAll. ArmorAll? Yeah, ArmorAll. This one looks pretty good. This is some scuff. This I probably should have scrubbed more. But I definitely don't think this one will winner. I think the winner is Super Clean right here. This one looks super clean no matter where you are. And obviously it could be the wheel, but I think they were all pretty much in the same condition, came off the same truck. I would say first place, Super Clean, second place, Mother's, third place, ArmorAll, fourth place, Turtle Wax. So let us know if you guys agree with these, if you guys have used the products and stuff like that. But yeah, I can't wait to put these on the Lightning. We have a lot more coming for you guys with the Lightning and the Eclipse coming. And we have the Mustang and the Subaru. So a lot of cool stuff. Make sure to subscribe if you like the video. And just like that, ABI out.